Good morning guys, for surprise, I'm making a chocolate cake for my daughter which she always loves to eat, and I'm going to share my secret recipe of the delicious chocolate cake with you guys today. So let's head towards my kitchen. 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of maida, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, half tablespoon of salt, and 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. The way you mix your ingredients is very important. First of all, maida. 1 cup of maida, 2 spoons of baking powder, half tablespoon salt. Mix together. Always use cut and fold method while mixing the ingredients. Now when I see that it is mixing, I will add 3/4 cup of cocoa powder since I am making chocolate cake. Now I will sieve the ingredients all together so that everything is mixed well, plus air is also added in my mixture. It's very important for you to get air into your mixture as it makes the flour fluffy. All the ingredients have mixed really well. So I'm mixing all the ingredients which I require for my tasty chocolate cake. All the ingredients are mixed well. Now I'm going to add sugar into it. Okay, see my melted butter. My melted butter is ready on double boiler. It should not be less than 100 grams and should not be more than 250 grams. I'm going to use my Analsa food processor. This has really added wonders to my kitchen. So now I'm going to use my Analsa. You're going to use this attachment. So anyone who has any question regarding my Analsa Maxi Premier, how to use it and its attachment, you can contact me on my YouTube channel. So now the way I'm going to break the egg is very important because I'll be separating the egg yolk from the albumin first. So how I will do it. So when you break the egg, it is very important that your yellow part of the egg, which is the yolk part, does not go . Chocolate essence that goes into my egg white. Albumin part has become soft and fluffy and it is not light anymore. I'm going to add my melted butter to the mixture. So I'm preparing the creamy base for the cake. Now when I see that the mixture of my egg white and butter is all ready, is liquidy now, I'm going to add my flour mixture bit by bit. A little bit, and now I'll give it a roll. I'll also add my egg yolks. I'll beat my egg yolks. And now I can add my egg yolks. Nothing should be wasted. And I always prefer the cake with an egg over an eggless cake. Now, without wasting any time, what I'm going to do is, I'll preheat my oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. It is 150. Now it goes to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And meanwhile, I'll grease my tray also. I'm going to grease my tray. Set my oven for preheat at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Again, I'll go to blending my mixture. So you have to blend it till the time you do not see any lumps. And the longer you blend, the better the cake would be. Also, I'm going to add some almonds. Handful of almonds will be more than enough for my cake. I'm going to chop off my dry fruits. Alright friends, now as you can see, my batter is almost ready. See my batter, it is all set. Now next step, what I'm going to do is sprinkle the first layer on my baking tray. What goes in the baking tray is the paste. It goes evenly. I'll give it a tap so that the air bubbles which are stuck below the base, they come up. Ready for my cake. Be careful while using your oven. Now, see carefully. The temperature is set at 180, 10, 20 and 30. Wait patiently for 30 minutes. Now I've put everything in the oven. Now we have to wait very patiently for our cake. So now we have waited for 15 minutes and I'm just checking the progress of my cake. So after 15 minutes I can see a nice progress. I will not open the oven. So I will gently move out my tray from the oven. Here is the cake. The cake is ready. The cake has cooled down. I can see it's not that hot. Now let's try taking out the cake from the baking tray. I'll try to slide my spatula slowly along the cake. And yes, it's moving. So I'll get another plate. So here is my plate. I'll try to take out the cake. Let's flip it over. Wow! See my cake! Chocolate syrup or any chocolate cake. This is the easiest sponge cake that you can make at home. So here is that. And I join it like you're binding a book. And it goes like this. It looks like a chocolate brownie. Now I will trim the edges. Cake is ready. Here comes my chocolate cake.